Anyways, guys, so I'm going to be today, I don't know why I started off that video, but anyways, what's up, guys? So today I'm going to be just like messing with my slime. Yep. And when I was doing it yesterday, like on my vlog yesterday on the 27th of September, it's called, I want to try and squish this. So this is what it looks like. It's like that lollipop, like, you know, it's all good. Listen. And like the sponge is turquoise. So yesterday the title.
Hello, my grandchildren.
Hi.
Hiya. You alright?
Ooh.
Booty?
Oh, you're working so hard, sweetie. Are you excited?
Alright?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I had to run all the way back to school, me daddy, because guess what they've all left?
What?
The coats. What's it gone?
This isn't a dress, it's a diaper dipped in hoop.
It's a really good slime. I'm going to do a slime ASMR, but just with one hand because I can't hold it.
Talk to you about Chloe. I'm worried she may not be as in the pageant today.
Oh, that's crazy. I mean, look how much fun she's having practicing her fancy walk.
Sorry about the shaky camera. Guys, I'm really sorry. Really bad. I'm filming.
It smells like lollipop dipped in sugar.
How about chocolate turkey with stuff?
Ooh, and we like Japanese Thanksgiving in our mouth.
Now watch the door, make sure someone is looking back.
Leave the video pool. I'll just wait out here next to Nora. Well, Japanese Thanksgiving's been ruined.
Cool.
Good. So. Right. I'm gonna. So see this close up, it has like loads of glitter. I'm gonna open it. Not me. But like, make it like.
Hi, Daniel. Yeah. Yeah, it's down there. Alright, dude. Alright. Tired, aren't you? You've been playing football for over an hour.
Joking. Who lives up?
The big boy, Talal's brother. Do you know what the other black boy was? Do you know where he lives? Them flats there, you know that boy that sometimes dances at the window? The black guy. That's him. Yeah.
If you early down.
Yeah.
Make lots of.
Right. It doesn't really make any sense. What?
Now she looks done.
Okay, guys, right. Anyways, guys, so quickly, I'm gonna show you how to.
Yes, she does. And she's also not dating Nick anymore.
All I've got is Frankenstein.
I'm super to see back for free if you see.
All I've got is Frankenstein.
What in the cinnamon spice is going on here? So yeah, we can explain. Say that.
All I have is Frankenstein. Right?
Okay, so quickly, I'm gonna show you guys how to do the TikTok thing. So this is what it looks like, and then I'm gonna go step by step.
All I've got is Frankenstein. All I've got.
So first, what you do is you do this. 1, 2, 3, 4 picture. So 1, 2, 3, 4 picture. Then you go slide up, out. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Cross over your pinkies, touch, look that. Then you go to the side. Then you go 1 slide the picture. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, good news is no one in the audience is going to be hungry.
You go 1, 2, hit 1, hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. But you do this 2 times. This is a real thing.
Well, for some reason, she decided to do my ribbon dance.
Look at her. She is not.
Anyways, guys, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Comment down below what other videos you'd like me to do. Bye, guys.